I need to borrow 5 lighters, cause I gotta rhyme with these guy flyers that hate rubber tires, and our lovers are all that might expire. They old and kid is so futuristic. Problem, them goblins know the next-uns. Yo, go jettison.
Away we go down the fairway. Protest time.
Volcanoes and hairspray, cause they know the wholesome way, like Sunday. Gotta go and hold those ozone rays without an ounce of that temperature raise. Not to mention I heard all that tension pain. That's a chain day slam. Oh no, they plotted out to stop the pirates, to save the nuts that are spotted out. Chains and locks and our back hold pains and mocks, but they staying on track low. From ups to the frown of the mafia, the project's breaking down cause there was no stopping ya. Roll to the next stop. Roll jettison.
Away we go down the fairway. Protest time.
Volcanoes and hairspray, cause they know the wholesome way, like Sunday. How to go and hold those ozone rays without an ounce of that temperature raise. Not to mention I heard all that tension plays. It's a chain they say. The whole case, rolled and replaced. The ways by your face got phrase that played out days and days ago. Global warming, now the yoke of warming. I find it strange. It aligns like a wine in my brain. That chime in the so-called low-ball crime of that climate change. Climate change, man, that's slow, dude. Ain't supposed to. What these hoes do, it's so dead, huh? But go check.
Away they go down the fairway. Protest time.
Volcanoes and hairspray, cause they know the wholesome way, like Sunday. How to go and hold those ozone rays without an ounce of that temperature raise. Not to mention I heard all that tension Not to mention I heard all that tension trays with their lame refrains. I'm becoming estranged from the same these days.